replace the cradle and the ping pong ball on the sampler's distributor top, metering chamber top, we're going to have to slowly pull up each one of these 3 legs. So I just got to take these flat side down, get them at the base, pinch slightly, and then rock it back. This will slowly bring up the cradle. Come up too fast, it'll break off. The cradle and the ball come out, piece of cake. To put the ball in, or the cradle back in, make sure the O-ring's there, the ball on top, and kind of line up the cradle in the holes. Takes a slight bit of pressure to get them to dimple in just a little bit. Since we're replacing, we don't have to put that much force into it because everything's already been stretched out the right size. As you look at the cradle, you have a solid piece, and then it's got a step or a shoulder, and then a smaller piece. So what we're gonna do is we put half of that inside of the acrylic top of the metering chamber. If you take it in all the way, it gives minimal distance of the ping pong ball and the seal, and causes the sampler to miss a sample because the ping pong ball's up and preventing the suction from going through. So just take it and come in half of the distance. There is all we need, and the thing will function. Try to keep everything as equal as possible, so distance between the ping pong ball and that gasket is always the same. It's good to go.